Before we begin with today's video, I want to talk about the Momo challenge that I promised last week in my previous video. First of all, thank you so much to all of you for the crazy amount of likes in just a few hours. You guys killed it. My videos usually take 3 days, 3, 4 or even a week to get 1000 likes, but the previous video only took few hours, like not even a day, to get 1000 likes. I'm not sure if you really like the vlog or you just want me to do the Momo challenge, but either way, thank you so much to all of you. And I want to apologize because I was super caught up this week and I didn't have time to do the challenge, but I promise I will do it next week or in the coming weeks. So I'm sorry, and I hope you'll enjoy this vlog. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and are safe out there. If you're new here or you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I upload new videos every week on Wednesdays, so if you don't want to miss that, turn on your post notification bell. Today's video is going to be another vlog. We are going out to Sohra again to visit some other place which I've never been before, so I'm very excited and I'm also a bit in a hurry. We are leaving right now, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Yay! Rina, ang ha! Hai kong dia. Versi surak.
MLA game Star Mikali ano jinti amin liwan game yo ini orang.
Asta.
Terus long lagi. Ayo ada beli ada. Yo klein. Klein mir ster. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Dot Snam lại lên cờ đi rồi dính nè dây băng hàm đồ bồn lụt mấy cái mua nào mà lo có bên nhồi phi destination. The first destination will be Lyngksiar Falls. So I went there, Waterfall. It's cute. Yeah, so we will visit Lyngksiar Waterfalls first, and then we'll keep going. So enjoy the vlog. Lyngksiar Falls. Yay! Hello guys, we're at Lyngksiar, but we haven't seen the fall yet. New Mawkma camera. We are here, boy. Kevin. Nga every vlog nang taman man yo gini yang iyo ang hi. I don't know what else to say, but ayun nga. Almost there. Hello, hi Saf. Hi. Yeah. Không yên đam đó. Con đi ai cơ mẹ? Lỡ ta mới sập đây xin tắt. We can hear the sound of the waterfall. Lấy đi nè. Welcome to Lyngksiar Waterfall. So pretty. Có ta rainbow. Janaliar now so that we can visit another fall. Bye bye Lyngksiar Falls. You're so pretty. I'm out of breath. We're going back to our car and maybe we'll have our lunch. I don't know. Kemana nih betul aja. We're going to another waterfall, Janaliar Waterfall. This way to the swimming pool, this way to the waterfall. I think there will be a kind of a natural swimming pool, I don't know. But we are heading this way to the waterfall. Oh my god, the lighting is so nice. We are at Janaliar Waterfall. Hey guys, I'm already very exhausted. I'm just sitting right here while all of them are taking pictures and I'm waiting for them to finish so that we can move to another place. Leaving from Janaliar Fall now, and the next stop is the natural swimming pool. It's really nice that these waterfalls are not very far from one another. Like we can visit 2-3 waterfalls in one day. So right now we're done with the second waterfall and we're gonna visit the third one, which is the Mawsawa waterfall if I'm not mistaken. But before that we'll go to the natural swimming pool first. So I'll show you. On our way to the swimming pool. Natural. Oh boy, look at this. Wow. Baik clear go and so deep. Oh my god, kita mo. Yung sang. Iwan mo yung pare ini. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Hamla situ na. Now we are on our way to Mawsawa for waterfall. I can hear the sound of the waterfall from here, and we're close to the waterfall. Dangerous. Very dangerous. But ito nga, pagkatukas niya, wow! May sangat ng lighting.
Sunburn.
Sunburn.
Sun kiss.
Mawsawa waterfall. Sang kamay sang daw. Pagkatukas niya, look at it guys, so pretty. Kamay sang God, so beautiful. We're leaving Mawsawa waterfall now and I think we're heading home now. And look at that pretty sunset, you guys. We are heading back to our car from Mawsawa waterfall and I don't know, we might head home or we might go to some more places, but yeah, the Mawsawa waterfall was really pretty. I think if you come here, if you visit this place, all the waterfalls that we've visited today, you will not regret it at all. Hi babies! What are you doing? You too? Whoa! I'm tired. It's getting dark and there's one more waterfall to go. Don't mind my red eye, but right now I'm in a hurry because it's getting dark and I want to get to the waterfall before the before it's dark. And this waterfall is called Prut Waterfall. Yes, you heard it right, Prut Waterfall. I can see the Prut waterfall from here. It's big, B-I-G, big. OMG, this one is really big. This camera doesn't do any justice to the waterfall, but still you get the idea of how big it is. Like, oh my god, so pretty and so big. I wish you could see it with your own eyes. You should definitely come and visit this place, Prut Waterfall. That was Prut Waterfall. We are now finally heading home. The waterfall was again really beautiful. You should come and visit and see it with your own eyes because the camera just doesn't do any justice to it. So yeah, do come and visit. And what else? I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I've reached our car and it's dark. I don't think you can see me right now, so I will close this video later. Hey guys, we are having Maggie and Mawkma. So I'm back home. I took a bath and now it's finally time to close this video. It was a really exhausting day, but absolutely worth it. If you guys are looking for a place to go for a getaway trip or something like that, I highly recommend you to visit this place, Mawkma. All the waterfalls are in Mawkma, I guess, but I'm not really sure, so you better check it out from Google Maps or something, because I'm not from that place, so I can't give you the exact location or directions. But the place is so beautiful. All the waterfalls are so stunning and they're not far from each other. They're only a few kilometers away from each other, so you can cover all the 4 waterfalls in one day. And if you want to go for a swim also, Lyngksiar fall is a perfect place for that. You can have a really good swim there. And yeah, I think that's all about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, subscribe, leave this video a like, and I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care, stay safe. I love you all so much. Bye.